Welcome to Practical Law. I'm your host, family law attorney Henry Gornbein. Many people go through a divorce, and it's one of the most traumatic times in one's life. Today on Practical Law, we are going to present a basic primer discussing the key issues and what to expect as you go step by step through a divorce. I would like to welcome my partner, Alisa Peskin-Shepherd, as we discuss these important issues. Alisa, welcome to Practical Law.
Thank you, Henry.
First of all, what about trials? You have some clients who are bitter, they're angry, they want to punish the other spouse, they want that day in court. What's your advice on that situation?
I still encourage my client not to turn over the decisions to the judge, whether it's property or with regard to the children. The judge doesn't really know your case and doesn't really know your children and will listen to the evidence that's presented, but in the end, you're not going to feel any better just because you've had your quote-unquote day in court. Mediation or other dispute resolution avenues are still better in the long run. That person will feel, in the moment, may feel so angry and want to get at their spouse, but overall, in the long run, they'll feel better if they've been able to resolve these disputes through mediation, through a non-adversarial process.
I can't agree with you more. And the other thing to remember is if you go to trial, you lose control. If you're negotiating or mediating, you're still in control of the process. You're still making decisions. And especially if you have children, you're going to be involved with that parent with regard to your children for the rest of your lives. And once you start throwing things at each other and saying things that can't be taken back in court, it changed the dynamics completely.
Right, and we can offer that to our clients, the big picture, knowing they're in the moment, but we know in the long run how it's going to affect their lives.
And a good attorney can step back and do a cost analysis not only from the economic standpoint, but also the psychological standpoint. What are